Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to add a search icon on taskbar in Windows 10. So this is very easy to add. So first you need to right click on your taskbar empty area and click on search and hover the cursor to show search icon. So you see this is showing in icon. So again I will show you. Just right click on your taskbar empty area and you see this. Click on search and hover the cursor to show search icon. Just click on it. So this is very easy and simple way. So hopefully guys you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Please comment this video work for you or not.